Neutral does not always translate to something being good for your skin, or it doesn't translate to it work on your skin perfectly, or it's supposed to work on your skin perfectly. And in the era of, since we are still in the era of DIY skincare, today I want to give us some insights on natural skincare that are facts and some that are scam, totally scam. Hi guys, my name is Simi and this is Simi Speaks Beauty. I just finished making a video on how black soap and shea butter ruin my skin. And I thought to myself, why not make a video on natural DIY skincare that actually works, and those that will totally ruin and damage your skin, those that they are just messy. There's no proof to if it actually works or not. So let's get into the video. If you know this is something you are interested in, or you would like to have more information on, keep watching the video. I have a book here that I've written down all the products that I know of that actually work and those that don't work. First on my list is the aloe vera. Aloe vera is a charming baby. Aloe vera is that baby that you love at first sight. Aloe vera does the job. Aloe vera not only hydrates, but it suits your skin, like it pampers your skin. It makes your skin feel relaxed. There's like I have a plant of, sorry, I might be using like a lot in this video. I have a plant of aloe vera at home and I use it. I use it for my hair, I use it for my face. I even give my friends to use it. Aloe vera is just that babe, and it's a very, very good DIY product to use. You can use it at the comfort of your home, no stress, nothing, nothing, and it actually works. And the truth is, I'll recommend it to anybody, anytime, any day, even when you just wake up from sleep. What natural products can I use on my skin? I'll tell you, aloe vera, because it actually works and it's very hydrating. Next on my list is honey. Honey is an antibacterial. It helps fight bacteria on your skin, and which is very good. I've not used it on my skin though, but I have lots of friends that use it and it works perfectly for them. No one has complained of honey damaging their skin, ruining their skin. No, honey works perfectly. Some even mix it to their creams. Like honey does a lot, it's antibacterial, and from my experience, it doesn't ruin anybody's skin. And I feel you can all use it for your skin. It's very beneficial. Those are my two top natural DIY products that actually work. So now let's move to the scams. Scams. First on my list, if you've watched my black soap video, you should know why this is the first on my list. If you've not watched it, go back and watch the video and come back to this one. First on my list is black soap. And I don't even know why you categorize black soap under natural, but it is categorized under natural skincare. And what black soap will do is it will dry your skin. It dries up the skin. It messes with your pH level, on especially on your skin, the pH level on your skin, sorry, before you think something else. But it messes with the pH level of your skin and just damages your skin. When your skin is dry, there's no moisture, the skin will be trying to moisturize itself. It's just damage your skin. And I don't understand why someone will go and use black soap on their face. From my experience, never will I recommend that. Second on my list, and you should know why this is second on my list if you've watched that video and you're back to this video. Shea butter. Sister, why using shea butter? Why rubbing oil on your face, like thick oil on your face? Why? I know some people use oil on their face, lightweight oils, but why using shea butter will only clog your pores. Shea butter is too thick to be on your face. It will clog your face and your pores. And the fact that is too thick and too oily will just mess with your face. You before you know it, you'll be having pimples here and there, and you'll be wondering who brought it to your face. But you brought it to your face. It's not your village people this time around. You brought it to yourself, and it will mess with your confidence. Please don't use it. This coming from someone that has struggled with confidence for a long while because of her skin concerns, and I won't recommend this for anyone. All these shea butter and black soap are coming from experience, and I won't recommend it to anybody. The third on my list is lemon. Most of these products I'm listing are from experience. Lemon at that time, I'll just slice the lemon. I won't even squeeze the juice, no. As I'm slicing it, I'll just rub it on my face. I'll rub it because we're in the DIY skincare era. I'll rub it on my face, rub it. At this kind, I'm waiting for my skin to clear. I was very wrong because it didn't clear my skin. It damaged my skin. It now gave me, and what do we call this? It gave me sunburn here. I could clearly see my skin burning, and it wasn't nice. At least the lemon, I noticed it on time. I didn't really linger so long with it. When I used it for like a week and I noticed it was burning my skin, I stopped it. But you see, black soap and shea butter, please go and watch that video because I feel everyone needs to learn from it. The fourth on my list is baking soda. It's called baking soda, not face soda. If it was supposed to be on your face, we'll call it face soda. And if you are rubbing it on your face, just put your head in the oven to go and bake it so that your acne will disappear. So I don't recommend it for anybody. What baking soda will end up doing is to mess with your pH level. It will damage your pH level. You'll be wondering if it was your village people that came and danced around your head in the night or something, but it's not. You don't use baking powder or baking soda on your face and expect anything to change on your face. No, it's meant for baking, it's not meant for your face, and it only mess up your pH level on your face. So please don't do that, please don't. I'm using a lot of please because this is from experience. I don't want anyone to, like, I'm coming from a place of I regret using this. I've learned from this and I would like to share it. And for someone that doesn't want to bleach, like I've gone through the natural route and it didn't work. And it's not like I'm presently bleaching, but I really did not want to bleach. So when people told me about natural products, I bought into the idea because bleaching is not my thing. I love my skin as it is. I love that I'm dark. Like, is an added advantage that I'm dark. I love the fact that I'm dark. So using natural products sometimes discourages you because they don't work. Most of them damage your skin. And this video is just to educate my melanated ladies on which natural skincare to use and not to use. The last but not the least on my list is, yes, toothpaste. I heard a lot of you are using toothpaste. Please, it's toothpaste, not face paste again. It is toothpaste. It's meant for your teeth. It's not meant for your face. If it was for your face, it would be called face paste. So I see no reason why you're using this. Will only end up drying your skin. That's just the truth. I haven't tried it. The truth is, people recommended it to me because my skin was very damaged at a point. People recommended it to me a lot. There was this time I was learning how to sew. My mother was even willing to buy Colgate for me. She said the imported one is the one that works, that she would buy it for me and all that. I was like, okay, I was waiting for her to buy it, but I knew deep down in my heart I wasn't going to buy it because it didn't just make sense on why you use toothpaste on your face. So, and I won't recommend it to anybody to dry up your face. I hope this video was educative. I hope you learned one or two from the video. If you know that you've used any natural skincare that works for you, put it in the comments. Let's know the good ones so we can separate the facts from the myth. And if you know that you used anyone that I mentioned and it works for you, tell us. And how did you use it? If it didn't work for you, tell us. Let's hear. Let's know how it damaged your skin and what worked for you. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Also, before I forget, recommend videos you like to see. My content is centered around melanated skin. So if you have videos you would like to see, my skincare routine, whatever you like to see, I'll be more than happy to make that video for you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.